How to load items in a certain ratio in a container. For example, air conditioners are usually loaded and shipped in the form of outdoor units and indoor units. In this case, the quantity of outdoor units and indoor units should be in a certain proportion 1:1 in one container. How to realize it? Let's see with a concrete example. Get the cargo import template. Copy and paste the cargo name, quantity, and dimensions. Locate the columns of cargo set name and quantity in cargo set. Think of a name for the same set of cargoes whose quantities have proportional relations. Then determine their quantities in a set. For example, one set of air conditioners have one indoor unit and one outdoor unit. Therefore, the quantity of each of them is 1 respectively. Save and import the template. Click Loading Result. Then we can see that the outdoor and indoor units are loaded in the ratio of 1:1 in the same container. Their quantities are in the proportion of 1:1. To learn more about LoadMaster, please watch other video tutorials. Or try by yourself at http://loadmaster.biz. A 30-day full-featured free trial is waiting for you.